I'm Tarakram, international badminton coach. Yeah, and I worked in 3 countries: South Africa, Spain, and Maldives. Yeah. In South Africa, I have done under International Badminton Federation IBF project. It is called SCORE, where we developed badminton very well, and I coached the coaches. So many of the countries in Spain also I coached the coaches, but South Africa we did a lot. Mainly the first 3 months project was that we had to train the players, and the second 3 months project was that had to train the coaches. I coached the coaches at South Africa, and also I am a writer. Yeah, I wrote in South Africa a book called Basic Theory of Badminton, where it has got all techniques of badminton. Yeah, that book I presented for the coaches. So all the coaches of at South Africa, I gave this book. Yeah, this is one thing. And at Maldives, I worked as a national badminton coach of Maldives. And in Spain, I worked as a
Start.
yeah, yeah. In Spain, I worked for as a badminton coach of Barcelona. Yeah, in Catalan Badminton Federation, Catalan State in Spain. I was a coach, and there also I got a good result. And then coming to India, yeah, in India even I worked in India in many places, very famous places where a lot of competition world is there in India. So we made a good result here also, but still I look for a better facility, and I'm very straightforward. I work all over my career, honest, straightforward, and sincere. Yeah. So wherever I see little politics, then I was resigning the job. Many times I got shifted at many places, but now again I'm working in India, and I'm looking for a good work again still. So I'm just presenting myself. If you have any good badminton trainer, if you want, you please call me. Yeah, this is one thing, and also and I'm also a writer. I write many philosophical things and many messages and all. I write for players and lot of other outsider world and everybody. Yeah, this is my about me. Please, if you need any good badminton coach, you please contact me. My phone number is 988-570-2314. It is in India. If you are calling from anywhere in Telangana, then 988-570-2314. But if you are calling from anywhere in India, from any other states, then 0988-570-2314. This is my phone number. But if you are calling from any other country, it is 0091-988-570-2314. This is my number. Yeah, 0091-988-570-2314. This is my phone number. Please contact me if you need any coach. My main qualities are I'm honest, sincere, and straightforward. Yeah. And now we are going for showing my work proofs, and also many things I'm going to show you now. So we see. This is written in Telugu. Finallo Tarakram means when I played the State Open men's singles finals. This has come in the newspaper. So that I stored it. Finallo Tarakram. Now we are going for the next paper. Yeah. Here you can see that Tarakram and Vijay enter final. Yeah, myself and one international player called Vijay Raghavan. He has won international tournaments also. with him, I have played finals in the State Open here in Telangana. Yeah. Now, with Vijay I am able to win one game with him. Then second and third I lost with him. Yeah, this is the result, best result I have. Now we are going for the next photograph. Yeah. This is the Hyderabad Championship. Just like Barcelona Championship, this is Hyderabad Championship. You can see in this newspaper cutting, it is written Tarak Ram wins men's title. This Hyderabad Championship I won that time when I played as a player. Yeah, this is my, you can see the date also in this paper. You can see the date, and also you can see that Tarak Ram wins men's title. Now we are going for the next paper. Yeah. Yeah. This is the photograph. First we see this photograph here. When I train the trainers, so he is also a trainer who is taking care of the stadium. He is a trainer. Yeah, this is me at the middle. I trained the trainers. I coached the coaches there, and at the end I kept exam, and then we took the exam, and we conducted the viva also, and we passed them. Means they have succeeded in that. Here also one thing happened. First, when we kept the first time exam, they didn't pass, so I failed him. Then again I kept the next one. I made him to study and get perfected. Then after that again second exam I kept. Then also he is not successful. Then I need to go for the third exam. He is passed. Yeah, this boy's result is like that. Again now we go for the badminton players at South Africa. Yeah, here is the team. This is Northwest Badminton Federation. This is at Potchefstroom. This work report also I kept in my photographs and work reports, which I am sending you. Yeah, these are the trainees, and also the parents also, they play badminton. Yeah. This place is called Potchefstroom. Yeah. Now we go for the next photograph. This is the photograph of Johan. Johan is a trainer in South Africa. So he gave me a gift when I am leaving back to India after finishing the project. They told to stay, but I couldn't stay because I want to go back. Yeah. Thank you. Next photograph we are going now. This is the next photograph. This is again in Potchefstroom only. Here is the accommodation what they gave in South Africa. Nice accommodation, and I was staying with Germans. Yeah, this is the one photograph of the accommodation, car, everything they gave. But I don't know the car driving. But so my vice president of the organization is taking care of the driving the car. Sorry, he is not vice president. He is president of that organization. Next, this is the photograph when I am coaching the coaches. I don't know. I train the trainers. So I trained the trainers. I was telling a player that they have to go over the net, not that they have to come under the net to lob the shuttle. They should try to take it as high as possible. Still high if they take, they have to tap it. Yeah, they have to go high, then they can do the push and dribble, and many attacking strokes they can play. Yeah, here is the photograph. When I was I played as a captain at my degree. I played as a captain of the university team, so I was in the middle, and here are the players. He is Cornelis. He is in US. He is a software engineer, and these boys also some software engineers, and rich people also. They are very rich. Yeah, the next photograph we are going is here is one memory. Yeah, these two girls, these two pretty girls are Spanish girls. Her name is Iliana, and her name is Tamara. Yeah, these two girls, they have won some doubles tournaments even at national level. Now the next photograph I am taking you, I kept the good sayings for the players to follow. I told no, even I follow the principles, so I kept the principles in the notice board and told the players to follow. This is the stadium where I worked in Lagariga. Yeah, Lagariga, they got a big stadium. Yeah, this is Lagariga Stadium. Yeah. Now we go for the next photograph. Next photograph. Here is the photograph. I was training the players. Even in clubs, I gave some techniques for the players in the clubs. I went and coached them, and I developed badminton techniques for the club players also to develop. This is the photograph. The next photograph we are going. He is Rafael Lucas. Yeah. Rafael Lucas. He is the vice president of the organization. Of at Barcelona. He is a vice president. Then the next photograph here again it's training of the player. Few photographs only I got. Many I left it. Yeah. The next photograph we go here. Yeah. This is also one good memory. Yeah, he is a very good player and she is also a good player. They were my trainees at South Africa. They keep asking me to come back again and coach them. Yeah, yeah. These are nice thing. Now we go for the next photograph. Here is the photograph. When I told now I was a captain of at university for 3 years. I played the university championships in Hyderabad, India. Yeah, 2 times I was a captain and 1 time I was a player. I mean, I'm a captain as well as player, and then 1 time I went as just player. And here is me. I was commenting because I was a national coach at Maldives. These paper people are taking interview of me, and so I was telling the players that they need to work very hard to perform that and perform as a winner in the international tournaments. That's what I was telling. Yeah. Okay, this is the photograph. In South Africa, I was staying with few other country people in SCORE organization. Yeah. This photograph is over, and here is another photograph. I was going to all the clubs and schools and advertising badminton to get more and more crowd for badminton. I developed badminton pamphlet also for players. What we do is that we send through the papers. We keep the pamphlet in the papers and we send the papers, newspapers. Then people will be getting attracted to play badminton. Yeah, this photograph is over. So we go for the next photograph. Yeah, okay, this is my personal photograph, but still I show you because I am straightforward. So this is me. I am a model. I worked as a model for a shooting company. So this is a photograph I worked, and the next photograph I am taking you. This is a fashion parade. This is a fashion parade. I took part, and here again a fashion parade. I was walking. Here me standing at this position. Standing at this position. Yeah, here is a female model and just coming to the center of the stage. Now we go for the next photograph. Yeah, here it got ended. Um, this is my all just life story. Yeah, small story to tell about myself. That I want to tell. I speak very open, and I am very straightforward, and I am honest. These are the qualities which I got, and I got all top international techniques are there. Yeah, even when I'm a player, I was winning with even international players in the practice, and with a very good player called Vijay Raghavan, a big international player, and with him I won one game with him, and second and third game I lost with him. Yeah, this is my good result. But unfortunately, later my knee got injured, so I became a coach, and I want to achieve as a coach. So I feed the players and I play with them to an extent, but not like before, where I was doing a lot of jump smashes and many things. Yeah, yeah. Regarding the techniques of me, yeah, I concentrate more on techniques because the many coaches, all coaches got their own concepts. Their concepts are that they will concentrate more on fitness rather than techniques, and some coaches they concentrate on strategy, so they may keep them more for playing the games. Some coaches they concentrate on other things. Yeah, but we need to concentrate on everything. Yeah, everything, and we need to concentrate more on technique and strategy. I work. Yeah, that's how I made some result. But anyway, whichever the organization I'm working, if any politics are there, I'm quitting the job. So like this, it has got my travel. Yeah. Okay. My phone number is 988-570-2314. From abroad, you are calling 0091 988-570-2314. Anywhere in India, if you are calling 0988-570-2314. I repeat, if you are calling from abroad, 0091 988-570-2314. This is my phone number. Yeah, if you want my work, please contact me. Yeah, thank you. Bye.